Hello, this is the visual abstract of study on micro nano sized Al2O3 particulates on mechanical wear and fracture behavior of aluminum 7075 metamatrix composites. This research work is aimed to investigate the effect of micro and nano sized Al2O3 particulates by studying the mechanical and wear properties of aluminum composites. The micro-nano composites with 1, 2, 3 and 4 percentage of alumina oxide were used to fabricate the aluminum composite by using stir casting process. It is observed that by increasing the Al2O3 particulates in both micro and nano sized content results in improved mechanical properties and high wear resistance. However, nano-sized Al2O3 reinforced composites shows better strength and high wear resistance compared to micro-sized Al2O3 reinforced composites. Figure 2a shows the base matrix material microscopic image without any presence of reinforcements. Figure 2b shows the uniform dispersal of reinforcement of micro-sized Al2O3 within the matrix. 2C reveals the uniform dispersal of nano-sized Al2O3 and also it observed that the presence of agglomeration within the matrix due to the high weight percentage of the reinforcement. Figure 3 and 4 shows the hardness and tensile strength of micro versus nano composite samples. From the outcome, it is observed that composites and nanocomposites exhibit better mechanical properties compared to base matrix. It is also observed that nano-sized Al2O3 particulates reinforced composites exhibit better mechanical properties compared to micro-sized Al2O3 particulates reinforced composites. Figure 5a and 5b shows the stress strain curve for the micro and nano composites. It is observed that base alloy has the highest plastic strain and also exhibits the least resistance to plastic deformation. Figure 6a and 6b shows the tensile fracture surface for the micro and nano composites. The fractured surface of the test samples indicates distributed shallow portion and dimples with different sizes within the MMCs. Also confirms the high ductility witnessed in the tensile test studies. Figure 7 shows the wear rate of micro versus nano composites. It is concluded that adding of hard ceramic particulates like Al2O3 into the aluminium is considerably enhance the high wear resistance of MMCs. The wear rate of nanocomposites shows improved wear resistance when compared to the microcomposites. Figure 8a and 8b shows the worn out surface of composite and nanocomposite specimens. The SEM analysis of the worn out surfaces of nanocomposite depicts the formation of narrow grooves with dark layers. Generally, this indicates that nanocomposite exhibits improved wear resistance when compared to microcomposites. Figure 9 shows the EDS study of nanocomposites. The outcome reveals the presence of aluminium, magnesium, carbon and oxygen. Small amount of oxygen termed O was detected in EDS study due to the existence of Al2O3 content during composite preparation. Conclusions. Microstructure reveals the uniform distribution of Al2O3 particulates within the composites and nanocomposites. Hardness and tensile strength values of nanocomposites shows better strength compared to microcomposites. From the fracture surface, it is revealed that high ductility was witnessed within the UTS studies. The wear resistance of nanocomposites was found to be better when compared to the microcomposites. The worn out surface of MMC signifies that wear mechanisms are delaminating and plugging. EDS study reveals the presence of Al2O3 content within the composites.